One day, definitely, I will have a car lift. Oh, I forgot some tools. But anyway, it's so beautiful under the car. Can lay here for hours. Ah, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. First of all, welcome to my cave. Mitsubishi 3000 GT. I try in English. 5 years ago, I started to work on my 3000 GT. For the moment, for the last 5 years, I spent already more than 10,000 euro. If I will count all together. Some paint, some sealing, some bushing and stuff. I try to make this episode in English. Maybe for English public, it's more interesting. In 2018, I create a channel. In 2019, like you all remember, we have some coronavirus. I just get too much free time and I decide to work on my car. Usually my episodes in Russian, but I try to make it in English because I wrote some subscribe on my garage door and maybe some Russian public don't understand this button. So maybe you will get it. In 2006, I bought the car, and in 2019, I decided to bring my Legend 3000 GT to the good condition. Long story, but if you're interested, I will tell all my stories in the next episodes. If this episode will get more clicks than my usual episodes, then I will just keep going in English. So, in 5 years, I done a lot and spent, I think, more than 10,000 euro for my Legend Mitsubishi 3000 GT. The idea is I will take now all this away and explain what I have done with my car, with my 3000 GT twin turbo. It's not VR4, it's just a German model with 3-liter twin turbo. Yeah, the top one. First time in my life I paint the car, and I paint with the spray, not with the compressor, because compressor have so much air, and like you see, I'm working in the cave and I have some dust everywhere. That's why I paint with the spray. Let's go. Like I said before, I spent for the moment definitely more than 10,000 euro, but it's still worth it. It means if I will give it to somebody or to some company in Europe, because I live in Spain, it will cost me definitely more. And the idea is, from my channel, is to show to the people that everyone can work on the car. Because I'm not a mechanic, I'm just a gymnast and I like cars. I'm kind of nervous to do all this and to look how it looks now. I mean, this part you don't see, but I try on this part because I want to paint as well the real fenders. So this is just to try, and if I will like what I have done, I will paint the real fenders by myself. A perfect line. Actually, I'm really nervous because one thing is to speak with the people in English, and other thing is to speak in English and film. I feel not really comfortable because my cave, my garage, it's actually my place to relax. It's my hobby. I think I spent more than 3 hours to put all this tape, and now to take the tape away, it's easier and faster. Why I'm calling my garage cave? Because I filmed already 75 episodes how I work on my car, and I have some comments that say, oh, all the videos are in the cave. So yes, it's a cave, but it's my cave and it's my Legend 3000 GT. Like, pam, 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 on place. Ew. I mean, it looks awesome, like for me. It looks red. Red means fast. Because I done this part, so now I can put the vacuum brake. I have no idea how it calls. A lot of things I don't know how to, I don't know English words, but I will learn. So now I can work on this part to put the windshield, windshield wipers, motor, some plastic stuff, the cover, and other things. I mean, nobody will see this because I have a cover, but anyway, I cover it. Now it's time to just take a break and look what I have done. And I like it. What do you think? It's not the easiest car in the world with a lot of stuff. It's from 1992 with a lot of things like four-wheel drive, four-wheel steering, twin turbo, two intercoolers, active air. In 92 they put all technology that they have in this car. In 2021, I spent a lot of time, so I walk around and was thinking how to make the body, how clean all the parts, how take all the rust away. I spent almost a year trying to find the best way to restore the body. As well, in 2021, I bought all equipment that I need for this moment, like a compressor, some tools, because when I rent the cave, I don't have nothing. I don't have a jack, I don't have a compressor, I don't have nothing. Just a couple of screwdrivers and that's it. 2022, it was actually a really nice year. I start and I plan a lot. I understand how to restore the parts, how to clean them. I bought a special sandblasting gun. And it started to keep going like kind of fast. But in 2022, Russians went with the war to Ukraine, and I didn't work on my 3000 GT for 6 months. I was kind of busy with other important things. But anyway, in 2022, I restored some bolts, suspension, work a lot with the brake lines, some kind of unreal puzzle. Of course, I would say just take a look in my old episodes, but I have no idea how, but I push it in. Let me be your push it. As I said before, all my other episodes in Russian, it's inside. Somehow it's inside. Because I don't need to think about what to speak on the camera. It's kind of strange to speak English in my garage. For this I need a bit concentration, and I don't know how my English sounds on camera. I get used for my Russian voice, but my English, I hope I will get used if you will put the like and subscribe on my channel. Comments as well, you're welcome. Comment everything. In 2023, I keep working on the body. Clean all the rust. Put the spray sealant. I have no idea how it calls. Spray sealant, it's this black material. What I put all over the body, inside and outside. And it works like a soundproofing material, and it will not rust in the future. I cannot show you now under the car because actually everything what I've done, it's under the car, but maybe in another episode I will put the jacks and go under. Every part that I take away from the car, I try to restore, I try to bring them to the original condition, and then when they are ready, I just put them back into the car. I'm not screwing back some dirty, rusted parts. That's why it took so long. And of course, I'm doing this by myself. Learning by doing, actually. The brakes are there. Now it's 2025. Actually, I'm planning to finish the interior, to paint the body, the fenders. It's original color, R71 from 3000 GT, but it looks much shiny than my original color. I think it's just because it's a bit old, because this car, it's not a new car. It's really cool. I like my work. As well, I work on all the cables, rewrapped them. One day I will definitely put the engine back, start the engine, and my Legend 3000 GT will go out from this cave. I hope you will see this moment with me. Actually, I have no idea how to make this in English, because when I'm speaking Russian, I'm not thinking, I'm just telling how it is. So, and it's easier. And this episode, like I said, it's just a try. And if you like what I'm filming, give me a like, write some comment, and if this video will get more clicks than it's usually is in my channel, I will keep going in English. Try my best, of course. For my older subscriber, my English is not that complicated because I learn it as all other people. Maybe you will learn it from me as well. Or if you're mad and you want that I keep filming in Russian, just write some Russian comments and, hey, come on, man, do it in Russian. So, write some comments, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching, petrol heads, and maybe see you in the next episode. Зачем я это делаю, не знаю, но знаю, зачем я это делаю. Потому что это моя машина, и хочу, чтобы даже бампер изнутри был как с завода, чистый и без говна.